Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making really easy baked beans. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my multi-pan and I use the heck out of this thing. Now I just browned up a pound of bacon. I cut it up and browned it up in there and I drained off most of the grease. Now I have 2 cans of Great Northern beans. These here are 40 ounces. And my pan's still hot. Now you can cut this in half for a smaller amount of people. We're having Easter dinner today and there's going to be about 8 of us here. So I have to make sure I make enough. Now to that, I'm going to add in a little bit of orange soda. Sounds strange, but it'll be good. I'm going to add in about a cup of orange soda. And I have orange soda in hand because I use it on my ham. And guys, like I said, this is going to be really easy baked beans, but it's going to have a slow baked, delicious flavor. Now I'm going to add in some brown sugar. And I'm going for heaping tablespoons. I'm going to add in 6 because we want this to be nice and sweet and caramelized. And I'm going to add in a little bit of hoisin sauce. And if you're not familiar with that, that is like a molasses sugary flavor. It's really delicious. You can buy this at Walmart in the Asian food department. I'm sure you can buy it just about anywhere in the ethnic food department. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons. And this will give us that good molasses flavor. I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. And my pan's hot because, like I said, I browned some bacon up in it. It's looking good, guys, and all I can smell is bacon and ham in the house. Now I'm going to add in that pound of bacon that I browned up. I'm going to bake this in a 300-degree oven uncovered for 1 hour. That'll allow some of this juices to reduce, them sugars to start to caramelize, and this here will get really good. So when it's time to bring these out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, my baked beans just came out. They're done. I had to bump them up to 350, bake them for an hour. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try these. They're really good. Nice and sweet. You get the flavor of the bacon in there. Let's try a little more bacon here. If I could do anything different next time, guys, I probably would drain the beans before I put them in the pan, but they're still good. Alright, there you have it. Really easy baked beans. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter, everybody. Until next time, I'll see you.